back to school thermos. Will it DTF? Let's find out. Now, as I looked around, I couldn't find a traditional thermos. I wanted to try this on something metal, and DTF does work on some metal surfaces. So I grabbed this water bottle, like you can get at any Walmart, and we're gonna see if DTF will stick to it. Starting off, we know none of our traditional DTF heat presses will work with this. So we're going to use the Cricut Mini heat press. And we're gonna use some heat press tape to hold the graphic in place. Oops, I made the graphic too big. So maybe I wrap it around like this? Yeah, that'll work. So we'll take this corner down here. And we'll start pressing. If you think this is gonna work, hit that like button. And if you think I'm crazy for trying this, hit the like button. Now I know some of you who have done sublimation will be like, hey Jeremy, there is a heat press for that. I know, we don't do sublimation and I don't have it here. And one of the things that I really like to show you guys is how you can use easy, inexpensive, readily available stuff to work with DTF. This is gonna make the thermos pretty hot or the water bottle pretty hot. But the biggest thing is you just gotta make sure you get good coverage over everything. So I might suggest using some hot pads because I can already feel part of it gets pretty hot, is getting pretty hot. We'll see if I need to have somebody run and grab me a t-shirt to hold on to it with. That's getting warm. Yeah, let's grab that t-shirt. Thank you. And like that's something we don't deal with much in the DTF world because we're not dealing with like hard surfaces often. People who do sublimation definitely run across that a lot. So far it's looking okay, but we obviously won't know until we try to peel it. So I'm trying to make sure we put some good pressure on it because that is a big factor for DTF adhering. I'm also really not expecting this to work very good. I mean, I think if it worked well, other people would do it, unless nobody's ever tried it before. It works, DTF works well on bare metal, so that's why I thought there'd maybe be a possibility of it. All right, I think that looks pretty well adhered. I'm gonna let it cool off a second before I try to peel it. Let's see how this goes. Now I can already see, one of the things I like about the hot peel is sometimes it'll start to like release from the graphic before you've even peeled it, so you can see where the color's kind of changed. So that lets us know it's at least adhered enough to kind of release from the film. Normally you want to kind of peel like low and against. That worked really good. Like, wow. It looks really good. I mean, I'm willing to guarantee you this is not dishwasher safe. But because you know who I am, you know I'm gonna go test this and see if it's dishwasher safe. Check back, I promise I'll do an update video on this to see if it holds up. But dang, that looks amazing. That turned out really good. I mean, the other thing you could do is you could do like a clear coat over it, kind of clear finish, like you could do a matte finish from Home Depot, but anything that's like a metal spray paint, clear coat, you could put over this and it'll protect it. I really did not expect that to work. That is awesome. It looks, I hope you guys can see it in the camera. It looks fantastic. So thermos / water bottle. Will it DTF? Literally in my teleprompter, it says doubtful, guys. I did not think this was gonna work. And it did. It actually stuck to it really good. Do have questions about the durability, but we'll answer those a little later on. I'm really stoked at how that turned out. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow for another Back to School Will It DTF.